Echo questions. Hearing twice to understand once. Hello, English language learners. Welcome back to our series on confirmation questions. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating topic: echo questions. They are a fantastic tool to confirm information and ensure you fully understood what was just said. Let's begin. Echo questions, as the name implies, are about echoing or repeating what someone else has just said, but in a questioning form. They are usually used when we didn't fully understand what was said, or if we're surprised or shocked by the information. For example, if someone says, "She's moving to Brazil," you might reply, "She's moving to Brazil?" That's an echo question. We primarily use echo questions in two scenarios. The first is when we want to confirm the information we heard. If we're surprised or doubtful about something, we can use an echo question. For instance, you won the lottery, when you cannot believe that your friend won the lottery. The second is when we didn't hear or understand something clearly. This gives the speaker a chance to repeat or clarify the information. For example, "He ate what?" when you didn't hear what your friend's brother ate. Forming echo questions is simple. Just repeat the statement you heard as a question, but be sure to use the correct intonation. The pitch of your voice should rise at the end of the sentence, signaling that it is indeed a question. For example, "She's getting a tattoo?" Remember, your tone of voice and facial expression can affect how the question is perceived, so be aware of your non-verbal communication too. When someone asks you an echo question, they're looking for confirmation or clarification. So, provide more information or simply confirm the statement. If someone says, "You're studying Latin," you could respond, "Yes, I find it fascinating," or provide more details. "Yes, I started taking a class at the community college." Echo questions are a fantastic part of English conversation, offering an easy way to clarify information or express surprise. Remember, use the right intonation and respond with additional information or confirmation when asked. That's it for this video, but keep practicing your echo questions, and soon they'll become a natural part of your conversational English. Stay tuned for more helpful videos in this series. Happy learning!